I am a dear sweetie. Hey, sweetie. We live, baby.
Happy birthday to me. Oh my goodness, happy birthday, guys. I'm sorry, to me. I promise you I'm not crazy. I'm a very normal person. Okay, I'm just, listen, if you're new to this channel, then welcome. I really appreciate you. You guys, my hair is out of frame. Do you know how many years I used to pack this hair? Fucking way. You gotta see this shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. So, if you're new to this channel, hi. I promise you I'm not crazy, yo. It's just, see, I know my birthday was today, right? But everything leading up to today has been crazy. I've had work back to back, but it's like my personal work, that's Cloud Media Studios, and office work 9 to 5. So girl, it has been a lot, but we are here now. Wait, what's the time?
You did not book that one.
It's 2:30, and I'm only now just having my bath on my birthday. But as you can see, we look fabulous, and you couldn't tell if I didn't tell you how, you know. Exactly. So I'm about to make content like my love for me, okay? Yeah, get yourself a man. I'm playing, but seriously, so my man brought me a cake, and I wanted to create content with it, but I thought to show you guys, of course, because what would I be if I didn't vlog my birthday? I already got somebody say, girl, you better vlog, like, yeah. So let me break the cake. We got the cake. Is so here's the cake. You guys, this cake is moving. No, like it says happy birthday, Didi. A princess indeed. So yeah, so he got me a cake, and why is this light fluctuating? Baby, are you alright? Apparently not. Anywho, so he got me a cake. So I want to make content with the cake, but I thought, of course, to show you guys first before I make content. So yeah, let's do it, I guess. Happy birthday to me. Okay, so let me sing for myself. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Didi. That's me, by the way. Happy birthday to me. It's not about me, the dear Lord bless me, because girl, I'm already blessed. Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, I wish me long life and prosperity. Hip hip hip. Yay. You guys, I'm geeked. If you can't tell, I got my nails done. I couldn't get my hair done because I had scheduled to get my hair done last week. I booked an appointment and shit, but I got called in for work. And then I had a client, I had a shoot the next day, so I had to do that and deliver 2 days. It was a whole lot, so yeah. So but at least we got our nails done. So that's lovely. But yeah, let's make this content. And it's overexposed. Okay, that's better. It's my cake with me before it falls off. Guys, so it's probably like an hour later. We cut my cake for, can you guys see me? Don't follow. We cut my cake for Instagram and TikTok or whatever. So yeah, I'm different now because we're going out. I don't know where we're going. What is it? Yeah, I went to eat. Probably watch a movie, right? What is it? And something else. It's not that deep, I promise, don't worry. So yeah, so let me show you guys my scents for my birthday. So the vlog should have gone up before this one, because if it hasn't, editing idea, what are you doing with your life? I showed you guys these two perfumes that I recently got, and let me tell you, I love them. Okay, so this is 24k. They're very affordable, 24k, and they last decent. And this is Cocktail Intense. So those are my scents for the day. I'll show you my outfit shortly. I wanted to do my makeup. Why is this thing making me sneeze? I wanted to do my makeup, but honestly, I could not be bothered. Like, sincerely. So I'm gonna do a bit of this Giorgio Armani dupe. I like how it smells. It's very fresh, I think. Let me show you guys my outfit. So I have this, can you guys see me? Okay. I have this white top from, it's thrifted from Annie's Closet. Any, what am I saying? From Thrift by Annie. I got this from her. Then I just have this denim trouser. Honestly, I've had it for forever. Yeah. Then I'm taking this cute little small thing with me. Oh, this was a gift. I can't remember the brand it's from though. I wanted to wear a crossbody, but Mr. Man was like, I shouldn't, so. Bye! I'm taking you guys through the whole of today, so, I mean, come with me, spend my birthday. I should put this cake back inside the container thing. So, it's not cool. So, I will see you guys on the road, I guess. So guys, we actually entered. We went to a I don't know. We're minutes from now. Honestly, we're going to see a movie by 7:40. I hope you guys can hear me. So we're just trying to kill time before then. I wanted to get my navel pierced, but the place that we went to don't do piercing, like in the mall that we're in. So yeah, it's that. I don't know if I mentioned, but we're in Jara Mall. Hi. Like, hi. These guys have nothing. What the hell? There's like nothing here. Oh my god, those mugs are so cute. You guys. Oh, you're so pretty. What does this one say? You've caught my heart. But I don't like that teddy bear thing. She's cute. Barbie. She's cute, but oh, this is actually nice. What she told, guys. I like this one. At least I've seen one thing that I like. You guys, is it too late to decorate? Huh? I think so. It's almost like 7 right now. The mall, like, I mean, a while ago, not a while, we just left the mall and we came to Mr. Biggs to get shawarma. To get shawarma. I wanted to eat meat pie, but there's no meat pie. They only have chicken pie, and I want meat pie. So yeah, so we're here. Then after here we're going home. So I was trying to tell you guys in the mall. So we wanted to go to this salon because he thought that he wanted to ask if they did piercings, because I want to pierce my navel, my belly button. So he thought they did piercings. That's why we went there, but they don't. So yeah, we left obviously. Then yeah, that was it. So we'll pick up our stuff and then I guess we leave. You guys are slightly crooked. I can see that. I'm not sure why. Hey guys, the time is like, what time is it? 10. Time is like 10:06 right now, and we got back like 10 minutes ago, I think. Yeah, I'm really tired. But today was nothing short of a dream. I got the name of the restaurant on the screen, so you guys saw it. 355. Okay. So it was really nice. The service was really good. They indulged me in my little content creator-ish. I felt so bad for the waiter, but he was really sweet. What else? Okay, I told you guys stopped at Mr. Biggs. So that's probably what we'll have for dinner when we eventually get hungry. For a big breakfast, Jim. Also, he got me, yeah. And then we just put drinks like juice and vodka. I wanted to show you guys, like, do a haul, but honestly, as you can see, this girl is tired. So I'll once I can do the haul tomorrow, show you guys everything that I got. So yeah, she'll show you guys everything that I got. Then if there's anything regarding my birthday that happens probably like in the week, then I might put that in this vlog. If not, it will just be another video. But yeah, I'm really tired. Also, so I have my photo album here. So this has like a lot of pictures from like my childhood and stuff. So I just want to go through that this evening and just reminisce. I don't know. Take photos of your kids, guys. Like, honestly, they'll love you for it because I can tell you how much I love my dad for keeping pictures of me when I was so tiny. I'm going to bed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. It makes my heart so warm. God bless you all, and I know God will come through for all of you the way He has come through for me too. Good night. I love you. See you tomorrow.
Unspelled J, okay, or what's or new?